In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the ChatGPT is at capacity right now error. The error message will say, too many requests in 1 hour. Try again later. It may also say that ChatGPT is at max capacity. The reason why this error message is displayed is if you submit too many back-to-back requests in a short time period, or if you are using it during peak times. Peak usage times seem to be around 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the busiest times being before and after lunch. The best thing to do is wait 1 hour and try logging in again to see if it works. You can also try closing your browser and attempt to log in every 15 minutes to see if you can get in earlier. You can also wait until later in the evening or after midnight when most people are probably asleep. Another option is to get an API key and use the paid OpenAI GPT-3 playground. The usage rates will vary depending on the plan you choose. Currently, the most powerful version is called DaVinci and costs 2 cents per 1,000 tokens. As an example, you can think of tokens as pieces of words, where 1,000 tokens is about 750 words. So if you had it write a 750-word article, it would cost you 2 cents. You can find out more on their pricing by going to openai.com/API/pricing. One more option is to try an alternative version called UChat, which is at u.com. It's not as good as ChatGPT, but may work depending on what you need. If this video was helpful to you, please do us a favor and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.